Hello, welcome. Another episode on the WASSCE 2024 Nigeria edition, May-June. This is the General Core Mathematics paper. Question number 8. Two observers, Abu and Bedu, 46 meters apart, observe a bird in a vertical pole from the same side of the bird. So the angle of elevation of the bird from Abu's and Bedu's eye are given as 40 degrees and 48 degrees respectively. So if at the foot of the pole, Abu and Bedu are on the same horizontal level, then we have to illustrate the information on the diagram and hence calculate correct to one decimal place the height of the pole. So now we need to bring out the information from the question. Obviously this is an application of what? Trigonometry. So let's make a sketch. If this is the pole, it will definitely be on the ground, right? The pole will be on the ground. So the bird is going to be somewhere here. So if two people are all at the same side of the bird have let me just say the right and the left. So when we are all here, one person will definitely stand here, one person closer or far away. Then they said the distance between them, they are 46 meters apart. Meaning the distance between the Abu and what? Bedu is going to be 46. So this is going to be 46 distance. Now they may be tall, but we are only picking from their eye level. So they are going to raise their eye to watch the bird. This person will also watch the bird. So the angle produced here is their angle of what? Elevation. This is the angle of elevation for the two of them. So this is all the information we are giving. Now we don't know whether Abu is here and Bedu is here, or Bedu is here or Abu is here. We have to look at the angle of elevation. If we are all here, if I raise my eye to watch an object, if I am far away from the object, the angle of elevation from my eye level is going to be small. If I'm closer to the object, I have to raise my eye very high in order to see the object. So the angle of elevation becomes larger. So if you are closer to the pole, you have a bigger angle of elevation. If you are far away, as you are getting far away from it, you see that the angle of elevation becomes what? Very smaller. So that simply means Abu, who is going to be far away, with each corresponding 40. So Abu will be here, 40 will be here, 48 will be here, then Bedu. This is how the diagram is going to look like. Let's make a sketch of that nicely. So this is our diagram. We are going to have from A to B to be 46. B to C, we don't know, so we pick a variable. Then the D to C is the height. That is what we are looking for, the height that the bird is away from the ground. Now, so let's pick it one by one. So I will say that from the first triangle, which could be the bigger one, triangle A, C, D. If I'm picking A, C, D, I am ignoring the 48. So this is a right angle triangle, where the 40 is facing the edge. Then below it becomes the adjacent. So which trig ratio will be used? We have adjacent and opposite. This is going to be opposite adjacent. That will be 2, that is tan. So I'll be saying that the tan of the angle 40 will be equal to the edge, which is the opposite side over the over the adjacent, which is spanning all the way from A to C. So 46 plus y. So 46 plus y give us the value of this tan ratio. But what do we need? We need the h. So let's make h the subject here. So h will be equal to 46 plus y multiplying the tan of what? 40 degrees. So that's the first equation we can get if we are considering the bigger right angle triangle. Then let's consider the next triangle, which is the smallest one, picking BDC. if you consider the BDC, the H will still be the opposite, the Y will become what? The adjacent. Still the same ratio of what? Tan will be used. So what is it going to be? It's going to be the tan, right, of 48 degree equals to the H, the opposite over Y. Y is the adjacent. So still, we are looking for H. So we cross multiply, H will be equals to Y times the tan of 48 degree. So if this is the equation 2, we equate equation 1 and 2. Since the first equation is in terms of H equals to which means we can equate the two of the right hand side to become the same. Meaning, what will that be? That will mean that I'll be having Y tan 48 equals to 46 plus Y tan 40. You know, this one is two terms, so we expand. So Y, the tan of 48 degree equals to 46 times this will be 46 times the tan of 40 degree, then plus Y tan 40 degrees. So you can see Y is here, Y is here. So let's bring in the Y together by bringing this to the left. Y tan 48 degree minus Y tan 40 degree equals to 46 tan 40 degree. So we can agree that Y is common. So we take that one as what? The common factor. So if the common factor go out, you'll be left with the tan of 48 degree minus the tan of 40 degree. And that will be equal to 46 tan 40 degree. So we can agree that since Y is multiplying, Y can now stand while we divide this by the coefficient. So Y will be equals to 46 tan 40 degree divided by the tan of 48 degree minus the tan of 40 degree. I have not changed these values in the beginning because I don't want to truncate the decimal places. So I'm going to put all together in the calculator to arrive at just a single answer for my calculation. And that will be giving us Y equals to 142.16. What dimension are we dealing with? We are dealing with meter. But don't forget, our attention is not on Y. Y is not our attention. It is the H that we are looking for. But it will be easily found in equation 2. The moment I put Y at the back of tan 48, the H will be found easily. Right? Okay. So this is the first part of the question. We're representing on a diagram. The second part, we are looking for the height. So let's clear somewhere and continue. So here, we are saying that put Y equals to 142.16 meter into equation 2, right? From here. So H will be equals to 142. The tan of 48 degree, and if you put that, you'll be having 157.885. But the question asks us to leave our answer in one decimal place. So therefore, the height of the pole is going to be 157.9 meters. So the height of the pole, or better still, the height of the bed from the ground will be 157.9 meters. All right. In this, the concept developed here is important, not just the question. the concept involved in angle of elevation, how we can be able to apply the grid ratios in getting the unknown variables. I guess the concept is clear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.